All right, the second problem, I've went ahead and rotated the kind of odd shape over here that I've highlighted in yellow, and I rotated it around. So here's its reflection over here across the line, x equals -1. So that's what I've got in green. And then up top, we've got a full circle. On the bottom, though, we've got a little bit of a gap here. So there's really a ring down here. And then I've got a hole in here that's a cylinder. And then further above that is a hole, which is a cone. So if I need to find surface area and volume, then volume is going to be the much easier one to do here. So I'm going to think of this as the hole shape, which is a big cylinder, minus, and it's not just one hole, but really two holes. So we've got the small cylinder hole right here, plus we've got the cone hole. So I'm going to add together their volumes and subtract that away from the overall big cylinder. And what's left over will be this whole shape then. So the radius of the overall big cylinder would really be this number that's right up here, which is 5. And the height of this thing, if I were to count from kind of top to bottom, should give me 9. So now I've got pi times 25 times 9. How many pi is that altogether? That is 225 pi. But now I got to take out all the holes from it. So the radius, I called this r sub 1 here. So the radius of the small cylinder is just this 1 right here. That was that gap that I rotated around. So times 1 squared, and then times the height of the cylinder, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so overall, there's just 5 pi, but I'm going to add to it the cone as well. So the cone, it's got a radius of 1, 2, 3, and it's got a height of 2. So the 1/3 will cancel out with one of these 3's. So really that just gives me 6 pi. So altogether, I'm subtracting away 11 pi of volume. So 225 minus 11 pi is 214 pi units cubed. And I would just leave it at that. If you really want to convert that to some sort of decimal number, knock yourself out. There's the volume. Next, I'll do surface area.